Is your Windows 11 showing the Windows Security Center service is turned off or missing error? If your PC's security features aren't working properly, don't worry. We have got the fix. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. If you are dealing with this Windows Security Center issue, we will walk you through simple and effective solutions to restore it and keep your system protected. Let's get started. Method 1. Reset Windows Security. If Windows Security isn't working properly, try resetting it. Click on the search box and type Windows Security. Right-click on Windows Security and select App Settings. Scroll down and click Repair. Wait for the process to finish. If this doesn't fix the issue, then click on Reset and wait till the process finishes. Method 2. Enable Windows Defender services. Open Windows Security. If you see any exclamation marks on the security items, click to enable them. Now check if you can enable Windows Security Center service. Method 3. Run command prompt commands. Certain command line actions can help restore Windows security services. Search for CMD in Windows Search as choose to run command prompt as an administrator. Next, copy and paste these commands one by one, pressing enter after each command. Close the command prompt after running the commands. Method 4. Start the Windows Security Service. Ensure the service is running correctly from the Services app. Open the search box, type Services and open the Services app. Scroll down to find Windows Security Service. Double-click it and ensure the status is running. If it's not running, click Start and set Startup Type to Automatic. Method 5. Reset Windows Security. Open PowerShell as administrator using Windows Search. Now run this command to reset Windows Security. Once done, restart your computer. Method 6. Run SFC and DISM scans. Missing or corrupted system files can be the reason for the issue. To fix the corrupted or missing system files, run the System File Checker. To do that, type CMD in the Windows search box and select the Run as Administrator option. Copy and paste the following command in the elevated command prompt window. Then press Enter. Now Windows will start the scanning process. Check if this could fix the error or run a DISM scan. A DISM scan repairs the corrupted Windows images that can be responsible for the error. Open an elevated command prompt window and press the Enter key. Let the process finish, restart your PC and see if the issue is fixed. Method 7. Perform System Restore. If the issue started recently, restoring Windows to a previous working state may help. Search for Create a Restore Point in the Windows search bar and open it. Click on System Restore, then Next. Select a restore point before the issue began. Click on Next and then Finish. Confirm with Yes and wait for the system to restore. And that's it. You should now have the Windows Security Center service up and running again. We hope one of these fixes worked for you. If it did, let us know in the comments. It might help others too. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next one.